September is National Chicken Month, so what a great time to find ourselves back in the kitchen with Gina Sunderland of Manitoba Chicken. Good morning.
Good morning, Terry.
You're going to share great tips on how to cook a whole chicken.
I am. So to celebrate National Chicken Month, we create a brand new resource called More Cooking with Manitoba Chicken. It has 4 beautifully illustrated recipes, a great infographic on how to roast a whole chicken, 6 easy, foolproof steps. So I'm going to take you through them.
Okay, what are they?
All right, so you set your oven to 375 degrees. You simply take your chicken out of its packaging and put it into a roaster or something with edges.
Now, a lot of times there's that question of, do we wash the chicken or do we not?
Perfect question. I get that question all the time. You do not wash or rinse your chicken. Wash your hands, don't wash your chicken. All you need to do is place it in a roaster in that oven that's set to 375 degrees. The next step is use your favorite seasonings. A little bit of salt and pepper, a little paprika, some parsley goes a long way. Chicken is very flavorful. Then you roast your chicken for about 90 minutes. And the way you know that it's done is you use a meat thermometer and you insert the probe into the thickest part of the breast meat. And when it reads 180 degrees Fahrenheit or 82 degrees Celsius, your chicken is perfectly done. Pull it out of the oven, don't eat it yet. Last step, step number 6 is you tent that chicken with foil for about 10 minutes and let it rest, and all the juices go back into that chicken and you have perfect, delicious, tender chicken every single time. So
Love to
you can't
hear that.
go wrong.
And you can't go wrong too with roasting a whole chicken because the leftovers will make for another great recipe.
Right, there is so much mileage out of a roast chicken. I don't usually roast one, I usually roast 2. So one of my favorite ways to repurpose leftover chicken is to make our chicken, lime, and cheese quesadillas. Terry and I are going to take you through how easy and delicious these are to make.
All right,
so we start it with half a cup of cream cheese. And then I've got 2 cups of our diced leftover chicken. Hey, and did you know you can freeze cook chicken for later too?
Ooh, handy.
Freeze for 3 months, yeah. And then a cup of our Monterey Jack cheese or another favorite cheese. 3 green onions chopped. Add a little brightness with 2 tablespoons of fresh lime juice.
Ooh, the zing, I love that.
Yes, and a chopped jalapeno pepper.
Yes, please, a little heat with that.
Very nice. And then about half a cup of cilantro.
I'm a fan of cilantro. Not everybody is.
I am too.
Easy one to just skip if you're not one of the cilantro
Exactly, you
lovers.
can just skip it. So that's looking great, Terry. It just comes together beautifully. And then you can use 8 small taco-sized tortillas, or you can use the full burrito-sized tortillas. If you're using the large ones, I love to do that. You just spread the mixture on half, you fold it, you can use a panini press to cook these, you can put them on the grill, in the oven, or make them like a grilled cheese sandwich. Just so simple and so delicious.
And there you see the finished product. You have the nice grill marks from your panini press, but
I do.
You can get them from the grill, or as you mentioned, even just pan fry or in the oven.
Yeah.
Where do we find this recipe? I mean, you mentioned that it's here in the booklet. Where do you get the booklets, though?
You can get the booklets on the website under our cooking school page, and you can download a copy, or you can message me and I'll send you a copy. And you know what? With it being National Chicken Month, I really want to thank all of our Manitoba chicken producers, farmers. They do such a fantastic job with providing us with fresh, local, nutritious, protein-rich chicken year-round. 365 days a year, we can go into a grocery store and get beautiful, delicious, healthy Manitoba chicken. So a big thank you to our farmers.
Absolutely. Thank you, farmers, and thank you, Gina, for sharing these recipes.
My pleasure. Thanks, Terry.
Brought to you by Manitoba Chicken. Discover delicious and nutritious recipes at manitobachicken.ca.